As an English learner, it is important to update our language often. If you also want to speak English like a pro, that is an advanced English, then this video is going to be very interesting and informative, as I'll be sharing 10 everyday phrases that make you cool English speaker. Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel #Enlighten. I am here with a series of everyday phrases to make your English like native and advanced. So if you want to get more videos of English language learning, then don't forget to hit the bell icon while you subscribe. And without any further delay, let's get into it. First one is cakewalk, meaning very easy. When you find something super easy, then you can use cakewalk instead of very easy. For example, solving a math problem is a cakewalk for me. Now let's move further. Next one is break a leg, meaning good luck. We always use good luck when we want to wish someone luck. Instead of that, you can use break a leg. For example, hey buddy, it's final match, break a leg my friend. Let's move further. Next phrase is hit me up, meaning text me or call me or contact me. It's more of an informal phrase. When you talk to your close one, you can say that hit me up instead of saying call me or text me. For example, let's go now, you can hit me up later. Next phrase is also very interesting. That is, don't cry over spilt milk, meaning being sad over something that has happened earlier is of no use. You can use this phrase instead of don't cry over that, it has passed now. You can simply say there is no use of crying over spilt milk. For example, I know it was your favorite bat, but it's broken now. Don't cry over spilt milk. There is no use of it. We'll buy you new one. And next one is also wow. That is over the moon, meaning very happy. When you are overjoyed, can't explain your happiness into words, then you can use this phrase over the moon. For example, when I met my best friend after a long time, I was over the moon. Next one is pull oneself together, meaning control one's emotions or being calm in some difficult situation. Whenever it's a hard time and you are soothing someone, you can say that pull yourself together to show your sympathy. Or someone is angry, it would cause trouble, then to make him calm, you can use it too. For example, after losing her father in accident, she somehow pulled herself together. Our next phrase is call it a day, meaning stop doing something. When you wrap up your work for the day, then you can use this phrase, that is call it a day. For example, we worked for 7 hours. Now we must call it a day. Speaking of work, if you're working or planning to face an interview, then you must check out my video, how to introduce yourself in the best way. And don't forget to hit the bell icon while you subscribe. This one is my favorite as I'm sleepyhead. That is sleep like a log or baby, meaning having great sleep. When you had a really good quality sleep, then you can use this phrase. For example, yesterday I was so tired I slept like a log the whole night. Next phrase is super cool, that is it's on me, meaning I'll pay for it. While giving treat to your friends, you can say it's on me instead of saying I'll pay the bills. It's again an informal phrase. For example, it's my birthday, so order whatever you want, it's on me. And this is our last but not the least phrase, that is come across, meaning meet or find someone or something accidentally. When you find something unknowingly or meet someone somewhere by chance, then you can use this phrase come across. For example, while wandering in the mall, I come across my old friend. So friend, that's it for today's learning session. I'll come up with the next range of phrases soon. If you want to learn English in easy ways, then hit the bell icon while you subscribe. And if you find this video informative, then let me know in the comment section below. Give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye.